All right, let me take you through our top story here. Coming in from Karnataka, of course, the state is aggrieved over price rise. Several hikes that have been announced by the Karnataka government, and we see the BJP taking this opportunity to protest vehemently against the Congress government in the state. They've launched a sit-down protest all-nighter in Bengaluru's Freedom Park. And those are visuals that we bring for you right from Freedom Park, even as I speak. These are live images and visuals of BJP members in Karnataka who are holding this dharna to condemn the Congress government over rising cost of living in the state. BJP mounting pressure on the Siddaramaiah-led government, accusing it of burdening people with a series of price hikes. In fact, what we know is BJP leaders led by State President Vijayendra currently are in a sit-in protest. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, meanwhile, while Vijayendra is carrying out this big protest, the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is currently in Delhi. Siddaramaiah is right now in Delhi to inaugurate the Karnataka Bhavan. He's also to be meeting Rahul Gandhi tomorrow, where he is likely to be discussing a possible cabinet reshuffle and a host of other issues that will be discussed. But Siddaramaiah is not in the state. The Chief Minister and Deputy D.K. Shivkumar both currently in Delhi. While they're in Delhi, here you have the opposition upping the ante against the Congress party in the state of Karnataka, blaming them for price rise, sharp price rise. These are visuals that came in from earlier today showing Siddaramaiah in Delhi as he just arrived to the national capital to inaugurate the Karnataka Bhavan and a big meeting that he's going to be having with Rahul Gandhi. Very important to note that you have D.K. Shivkumar facing rebellion within the party itself, where many of them saying they want to see a change in the Karnataka state president's place. D.K. Shivkumar holds the KPCC chief's post. You have many of them internally who says that they don't want him to continue. He's already had an extended tenure. They want a new face to take over as the KPCC chief. And that said, D.K. Shivkumar is fighting another battle. He wants to take over Siddaramaiah's post as the Chief Minister of Karnataka. Siddaramaiah has already completed his 2.5 years term. A possible agreement may have happened years ago, but does that still hold? D.K. Shivkumar wants to take the other half of the term. Now, while all of this power tussle happens, you have the BJP protesting. And those are the images that I showed you. Protest all night at the Freedom Park. And the protest is with regards to price hike. All the way from diesel hike, Nandini milk price hike, electricity bills that have now are due to be announced, a raise of which will happen in the next few days. And then, of course, metro price hike. And then a shocker that came for Bengalurians, BBMP now wanting to impose tax on solid waste management. They're going to be basically taxing people for garbage collection. Per kg will be payable now. Of course, it was payable earlier as well, but it seems like that price has increased. And making matters worse, you have another price rise that's come up now, which is to do with parking. Parking in your private and public spaces now will be formalized, and you'll have to shell a lot more as parking tax, which will be part of your property tax annually. So clearly the BJP has every reason there to be sitting and protesting. Here you have News 9's Wajiullah, who managed to speak with the face of the opposition there. Let's hear it.
We are right now at Freedom Park, where BJP leaders have come from all sorts, from all the districts of Karnataka to protest here. You can see all top leaders. C.T. Ravi speaking right now. You have Sri Ramalu sitting there. You have R. Ashok sitting there. You have Janardhan Reddy. You have B.S.Y. Yediyurappa. Behind him is the president of the BJP, Mr. Vijayendra. All of them have come here to protest against the price hike that are seen in the state of Karnataka. Prices of petrol, prices of milk, prices of diesel, prices have increased by 2 pounds, and that is why the BJP is protesting here, to highlight this issue that has been a problem for the general public. As you can see, everyone has a boat in their hand. One says Lutikara, Congress Sarkara, Dikkara, Dikkara.
Narayan has also spoken. The BJP plans to scale up its agitation further with Janakroksha Yatra starting April 7th from Mysuru to be flagged off by Union Minister Prahlad Joshi.
Joining me is Ashwath Narayan, sir, of the BJP. Sir, you all have gathered here. All your big leaders are here. Yediyurappa here, sir is here. What is the entire protest all about, sir?
It is against the price rise, misgovernance, zero development of Congress government in the state of Karnataka. All the prices, in all the verticals, in all the taxes, all utilities, the price has been increased. We want to condemn that. We want the Congress government to roll it back and thereby being more people-friendly, people-centric. So we want them to realize it is going against the interest of people of Karnataka. We are protesting day and night to impress upon, or to call upon this Congress government to roll back the prices.